Hello, I'm Michael from Spartakus Technologies. Let's dive into the digital features designed for reporting predictive maintenance results. The Spartakus platform is an interface that unifies the results from various technologies, including predictive ones such as vibration, thermography, PDMA, oil analysis, and more. This centralization of information means you can find everything in a single database. You no longer have to look across various databases for the information that you are seeking. This greatly accelerates and simplifies the analysis process. The benefits you should expect from this technology are 1. Significantly reduced reporting time, approximately 25% depending on the technology and the user. 2. Standardization of reports. Observations, recommendations, diagnostics are all standardized in Spartakus, which means that regardless of who does the reporting, they will be following the same guidelines. Another benefit is excellent alert traceability, which means no more duplicate entries and better tracking of corrective actions. With Spartakus, you can integrate oil analysis results directly into the platform. Naturally, that does include recommendation and diagnostics from the laboratory, but it also includes the other metrics, such as iron content, viscosity, particle count, and many more. Also, you can embed specific guidelines into the reporting interface so that the technicians can view them during the reporting process. Spartakus offers a comprehensive solution for streamlining your predictive maintenance reporting, saving time, and ultimately improving plant efficiency. If you're ready to take the next step in your predictive reporting, let's connect.